Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the paradigms of learning, means methods, ways and models to understand the learning process. First one, classical conditioning, where the learning occurs through association between a neutral stimulus and a natural response. Example says, in Pavlov's experiment, a dog learns to salivate, that is a response, when it hears the ringing of the bell, which becomes the natural stimulus because it has been repeatedly associated with the food, that is the natural stimulus. Second one is the operant conditioning, where learning occurs through consequences and behavior over here becomes to be strengthened by rewards and weakened by punishment. Example says, in the Skinner's rat experiment, where the rat learned to press a lever to get the food pellet. So pressing the lever becomes a stimulus over here and receiving the food pellet becomes a reward. So here reward and punishment both works for shaping the behavior. The third one is the cognitive learning. Here the learning involves understanding, thinking and the problem solving rather than making an association between either a stimulus or the stimulus response learning. Now the example says, in Kohler's chimpanzees experiment, where they have used an insight. Insight always comes with a sudden flash of understanding, where they have thought to join the sticks together so that they could able to get a banana. Next one is the observational learning. In observational learning, where we are going to observe and watch others by imitating their actions and behavior. The example says the Bandura's Bobo-doll experiment, where the children imitated the aggressive behavior that have been shown by the adults. So this is how the learning processes are going to take place through different models and ways to understand and predict the behavior. Thank you.